It all started when I received an interview call from Vatika in 2006. उस टाइम पे मेट्रोज नहीं होती थी, तो आई ट्रैवल थ्रू दी DTC बस। और फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने वाटिका ट्रायंगल की बिल्डिंग को देखा, जो फर्स्ट थॉट मेरे माइंड में आया कि यहाँ तो मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं होने वाला है। बट डिस्पाइट ऑफ माई इनिशियल फियर, आई मैनेज टू क्लियर ऑल द इंटरव्यू राउंड ऑन द सेम डे. Soon after, I joined the admin HR department at Vatika Triangle. My journey so far has been very progressive. I started in the admin and HR department, gradually grew into the leadership role, and eventually leading the HR department. Over the years, I have handled end-to-end HR operations across multiple businesses, including Vatika Limited, Matri Kiran School, managing end-to-end HR activities, which includes talent acquisition, payroll, performance management, training and development, and employee engagement. My key achievements include strengthening and building the HR policies and procedures, improving employee engagement and retention, managing workforce expansion, and ensuring smooth HR process across the different departments. Overall, it is a journey of continuous learning, people development, and creating a strong and healthy organization culture. The turning point of my career came in 2020 when the management gave me the opportunity to take full responsibility of the HR department. That movement was the major milestone for me as it allowed me to step into the leadership role. Initially, Abhas sir trusted me and gave me the opportunity to work in the HR department. Later, I was guided by Mamta Dutt, who was heading the HR department in 2010. From both of them, I have learned the HR processes and the importance of HR in an organization. Their mentorship helped me to build a strong understanding of HR operations and shaped my professional development. I owe my success to the constant support and guidance, especially from Divya ma'am, Gautam sir, and HOD of the different departments. The management trusted me and gave me the opportunity to lead the HR department, which became the foundation of my growth. I am truly grateful to Vatika for providing me ample of opportunities to learn, to make mistakes, to explore, to improve, and to grow professionally as well as personally. Vatika Group has 4 values: trust, commitment, integrity, and quality. These 4 values are the success mantra at Vatika. Never give up. Always be ready to face challenges. Be committed to your work. Never ever compromise on integrity and quality of your work. The best part of working with Vatika is the healthy and supporting work environment. The management is always ready to listen to your ideas and opinions, which makes you feel valued. There is a strong commitment to work-life balance, equality, and maintaining a workplace free from gender discrimination. Additionally, Vatika provides great opportunities to learn and grow. The management is always ready to listen to your opinion and provide a clear path to learn and grow. I still remember last year जब मेरी knee surgery हुई थी, Divya ma'am was so concerned. She guided me to go for a physiotherapy before the surgery. Even after my surgery, she regularly checked on my health and knee recovery. At Vatika, you are treated like a family member. It's very rare to find such an organization where the management is so caring, supportive, and genuinely invested in the well-being of its people.
It always amazes me when people complete 20 years and it feels कि इतना टाइम कैसे बीत गया और वो भी इतनी जल्दी. So I'd like to talk about Vijeta. Vijeta is very task oriented. Any task that you give her, you can be rest assured that it will be completed on time. She's also very dependable, which emanates from task orientation. So if you've given a task to Vijeta, you would know that it would not just get done, but it would get done properly, which is a very important factor. I also think that she's very relationship oriented. Across levels, for someone in people services, it's very important to have excellent relationships with everybody. So whether it is with people from the school or from Vatika Limited or engineers, seniors, juniors, same level, she has a good relationship with everyone, and that is commendable. Lastly, what I would like to mention, which I think is the most important attribute that she displays, is that she is very unbiased. In people services, sometimes you have to take tough decisions. Sometimes you have to counsel. Sometimes you have to motivate. Sometimes you have to uplift. Sometimes you have to console. In all these aspects, she's very, very unbiased. And I think that's her key differentiator as a people services professional, to be unbiased and yet be relationship oriented. I wish Vijeta all the best. It's been lovely working with her for 20 years, and I look forward to working with her for another 20. All the best, Vijeta.
Vijeta works in a department where she is privy to a lot of confidential information. And I feel on that score, she's very dependable. It's a tough job. And she's worked with different HODs in her tenure. And then she's worked without an HOD for quite some time, taking direct instructions from Gautam, and then eventually directly reporting to me. So in that sense, she's gained a very multifaceted experience here. And also, she's seen the company through various highs and lows. So when I think of Vijeta's 20 years here, what comes to my mind, the words that come to my mind are solid, dependable, steady. So these three words really describe her well: solid, steady, and dependable. She is what I would call a true Vatika veteran. So I wish her all the very best and congratulations once again.
मेरी मुलाकात विजेता से आज से 15 साल पहले हुई थी. I had gone for my induction for Matri Kiran and I had an injury on my right thumb and right forefinger. So मैंने विजेता को बताया कि ये ब्रेस है और मैं कैसे आपके क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दूँ. विजेता was very, very calm and reassuring. She said, मैम जितना लिख सकते हो उतना लिखो. So वो दिन है और आज का दिन है. Vijeta has always been very warm and sincere in her interactions. Whenever we require somebody for Matri Kiran, she goes out of the way to look for the right candidate for Matri Kiran. So Vijeta, I wish you many more glorious years with Vatika.
I have known Vijeta for last 19 years when I joined the company, and she was a young and upcoming HR professional. With her dedication, commitment and professionalism, she is now in charge and independently looks after the HR functions of Vatika as well as Matri Kiran. What is unique about her is her ability to humanize HR. She brings empathy and approachability. What I mean is that anyone can approach her and she gives all of them a patient hearing, and also keeping employees' concern and organization's objectives and addresses them with equal diligence. Wish her all the very best and continued success in future in the company as well. Thank you.
Congratulations Vijeta for completing 20 years. So Vijeta and I share a long association as Vaticans. Throughout this journey, she has consistently brought positive energy to the organization. As an HR leader, she is highly approachable and serves as a trusted go-to person for many of my team members, and I think to other departments as well. Her ability to connect across teams and levels makes her a deeply respected person. All the best Vijeta for many more successful years.
Many congratulations Vijeta on completing 20 wonderful years with Vatika. It's a truly an inspiring journey. Working with you during our project management issues and interviews has been a great experience. I have seen how thoughtfully you evaluate people, not just for their skills, but also as individuals. that really reflects the kind of person you are. One important thing I have learned from you is to stay calm, patient, and always listen before making any decision. You are not only a strong professional but also a genuinely kind and approachable human being. Wishing you many more successful years ahead.
Many congratulations, Vijeta, for completing the milestone of 20 years at Vatika. Now, if I have to describe you in a single word, that would be patient. Not the Marij one, but a person who is full of patience. Because I've seen you in tough times, where you have handled the things with a lot of calmness and maturity. So as per me, the correct word that would surely be your virtue would be patience. Once again, many congratulations.
Today I am truly happy to speak about Vijeta, my colleague and very good friend, who has completed 20 incredible years with Vatika. This milestone not just about time but about a dedication, consistency and commitment. What I admire most about her is her positive attitude. No matter how tough the situation is, she always chooses to stay optimistic and encourage others to do the same. Vijeta has always been honest and committed to the company, giving her best in every task she takes on. Congratulations, Vijeta, on completing 20 wonderful years. Wishing you many more successful and happy years ahead.
Congratulations, Vijeta, on being the first women employee at Vatika to complete 20 years. The first thing that comes to my mind when I think about you is, of course, appraisal, salary. But that was on a lighter note. Vijeta truly stands true to her department. She is a complete people's person. She understands people, supports them, and makes them completely comfortable. Another rare quality which I truly admire about Vijeta is she exactly knows what to say, when to say, and how to say. She is a wonderful human being, tough when required, but always approachable. अगर ऑफिस में कोई गो टू पर्सन का अवार्ड होता तो वो हमेशा विजेता को ही मिलता. So congratulations once again to you, Vijeta.
Hi Vijeta, many congratulations on completing of incredible 20 years journey with Vatika, being an HR professional. There is a question I have often been asked, who is tougher, you as a colleague or you as a partner? And honestly, it is very difficult to choose. At work, you have always been strong, composed and fair. Someone who stands her ground, take tough decisions and handle people's policies and problems like a pro. At home, your strength shows in a different way. A natural multitasker, a balancing everything with ease, a caring mother, a supportive and understanding partner who quietly keeps it all together. So honestly, there is no comparison. You are equally strong in both the world. After all these years, I have definitely learned that it is always safer to agree with you at home or at work. So lastly, बस चलते रहो क्योंकि consistency is the key of success. I wish you all the best for completing your 20 years journey and wish you all the best for your future.
So today we are not just celebrating 20 years of Vijeta ma'am, but her dedication, leadership and inspiration. I always find her self-motivated and her positive mindset and patience is truly appreciable. And she has excellent management skill. एक सेकंड हम डिस्कस करते हैं कैंडिडेट को लेके कि ये प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं और दूसरी सेकंड जब अपनी सीटों की तरफ मूव करते हैं तो मुझे उनकी कॉल पे आवाज़ आती है, हाय मायरा, आपने मेडिसिन ली क्या, एंड महक, हैव यू लंच. सो आई वाज लाइक, अभी तो हम कुछ और डिस्कस कर रहे थे और वो उन मल्टीपल चीज़ें एक साथ उनका मैनेज करना, इट इज़ ट्रूली इंस्पायर फॉर मी. So thank you for supporting me always and believing in me. We wishing you many more successful years ahead.